internet these days is nuts, and so am I. The internet is nuts because I'm able to automate as much as $320 per day and 132 hot leads with the help of a proprietary new viral income system that goes to work for me while I'm off having fun. And I'm nuts because I'm going to give you a copy of my automated income software for peanuts. So the question to ask yourself is this: would you like my automated income business to instantly become your automated income business? A business that's 99% done for you. And when I say done for you, I mean actually done for you. My team and I have worked our bums off to create it from the ground up. As you can see, I spent thousands on the coding alone, and that doesn't include graphics, the video presentations, the training videos, brainstorming and mapping out the idea itself, spending countless hours in development before, boom, my system worked. So yeah, handing all of this over to you is certifiably insane, but there is a method to my madness. You see, after you get your hands on my viral income software, after you see results as early as day one, after you watch my software do exactly what it does for me, after you let it take care of you while you're out shopping, golfing, fishing, soaking up the sun, watching a movie, or doing whatever you love, I know that I'll have both a fan and a customer for life. So you see, I may be insane, but I'm no dummy. Introducing IG Moneytree. My partner Tom E. and I have combined our over 20 years of online marketing expertise and our unique ability to generate huge personal paydays like these, to create an income system like nothing you've ever seen. You see, we're both extremely busy guys with our main passions outside of online business. Tom and I are both lifelong musicians. We both have kids we love spending time with. We both love vacationing and traveling. And we both have other hobbies on top of all that. My point is that our lifestyles require automated businesses, so we specialize in creating income systems that all but run themselves once set in motion. And IG Moneytree happens to easily be our best work to date in that regard. In fact, the leap in technology from the last automated income system to IG Moneytree is akin to the leap from a 90s flip phone to an iPhone X. Tom and I are like two giddy little kids on Christmas Eve when it comes to IG Moneytree because it works so darn fast. I mean, IG Moneytree is 100% newbie friendly, insanely viral, yet proven powerful enough for pros like Tom and I. You just enter a username, enter your money link, and that is it. You are done, and the software is now programmed to start spitting out income and leads like they're going out of style. Now, we've taken things to the ultimate level in online automation with IG Moneytree's proprietary zero-click software. That's right, zero-click software. Now, how is that even possible? Let me explain. The very moment you log into IG Moneytree, you'll have a full-blown income system ready and waiting for you, including a funnel-based website unlike anything you have ever laid eyes on. I guarantee that. Fully hosted, so hosting is taken care of, built-in product, done. Email capture system, done. Viral list and income builder, done. And our top secret autopilot social media following builder, which will build a following for you, also done. All of this and more done for you instantly the moment you log in. 0 clicks required for any of that. We've literally taken care of everything in our power, leaving you with nothing but a couple simple tidbits of information to save to your member area. I'm talking a minute, 60 seconds of setup, and you are fully ready to rock. Now here's another question you need to ask yourself. Do you have 60 seconds to spare? Because 60 seconds is literally all it takes to set up your IG Moneytree system, as mentioned. And once you're set up, look out because it can work extremely fast. Again, you do not need a website because we set you up with an instant funnel-based website of your own, and don't worry, we host it, automate it, and pay for it. Nor do you need an email list because IG Moneytree will build you one automatically, and you don't need your own product. We've got you covered with a 6-figure product already built into your funnel, prepared to start making you money from the word go. You won't even need paid traffic because our system shows you how to easily get traffic for free and automate it. Your IG Moneytree viral funnel also multiplies your traffic. Yes, this means that IG Moneytree can literally turn 10 targeted visitors, for example, into hundreds, even thousands of targeted visitors. So there you have it. We've covered all the bases and done all the hard work for you. To sum it up, you don't need experience, you don't need a list, you don't need a website, you don't need a product, and you do not need traffic. Say goodbye to the exhausting work that comes with creating an online income system of this caliber. You've got a complete business in a box ready and waiting for you to plug in and go. No excuses left. So think of it this way. Can you think of a better way to succeed online than by copying the 99% automated system that an online marketing pro uses himself every day? And can you think of a better way to copy that pro than by copying the exact same automated income system as him? Well, of course not. So this is your chance to finally make things happen, and don't you owe it to yourself to do that. It's really, truly now or never. Click the Add to Cart button below to get instant access to IG Moneytree right away. You have zero risk with our 30-day money-back guarantee. And remember, this is an automated income system that Tom and I built for those with zero interest in spending 8-hour days toiling online, or even 2-hour days. Our system does the selling and fulfillment for you, leaving you with time to follow your passions and do what you love, just like us. Isn't that what you want? So again, click the Add to Cart button, and Tom and I both look forward to seeing you inside.